In this comprehensive guide, we'll show you how to seamlessly add delivery service to your Facebook page. Let's get started with the simple steps. Begin by opening the Facebook app and logging in to your account. Once logged in, tap the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, and select Pages from the options provided. To switch to your page, tap the down arrow next to your profile photo at the top of the screen. Choose the specific page you want to switch to and tap on your page's profile picture. Next, tap the Edit icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and find the Detail section, then tap on Edit next to Detail. To add the delivery service option, tap on Add Services and select Delivery from the list of services available. Once you've made your selection, ensure to tap Save at the bottom to confirm the changes. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily incorporate delivery service into your Facebook page, providing a convenient and efficient option for your customers. Enhance your online presence and expand your business reach by offering delivery service on your Facebook page today.